Hello everyone, today I will show you how to easily adjust the row height in your Google Sheet. Let's dive in. The easiest way is to hover your mouse over the line between the rows on the left side of your sheet. Example, the line between rows 4 and 5. You'll see a double-headed arrow. Click and click and drag up or down to change the height as per the requirement. You can also select the rows you want to adjust by clicking the row's number. For example, 9. Click on that. Then right click the number. Here you can see resize row. Click on this. You can either choose fit to data, or you can choose specific row height. Click on this, and now we can adjust the number and click on OK. Or you can choose a custom height, then click on OK. This will automatically change the height of your row. And so this felt helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.